really nervous right now. There's just that moment of like, oh God.
It'll be okay.
I'm scared.
I'm not nervous right now. I'm nervous.
Hold me.
I'm nervous for later.
Hold me. Hi everyone.
Hello. It is Jamie
And Mike.
from the Tiki Treehouse.
The Inside Edition.
The Inside Edition. We're not in the treehouse because today we are doing COVID tests for travel. And we thought it might not be the best idea to do them outside where the wind might blow our card or whatever. So we're inside today for travel tests.
Full disclosure, we're not doing this because they're mandating this specific test.
Correct.
We are vaccinated, and therefore it is not requiring a test prior to. This is us not wanting to travel, get to the port, and then for whatever reason have turned out to when they do test us, and then we are traumatized.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm
We're just doing this before we get on a plane to head to Florida to go to the port. We're being tested at the port anyway. We've mentioned that before. This is just for peace of mind before we get on a plane. So, shall we?
Sure, let's do this.
Okay.
So, real quick disclosure, this is supposed to be a proctored test. We have the proctored ones, but we're not doing proctored because it's not actually for any kind of approval. It's just us being extra. So, just so you know about that.
We're not going through the trouble of going through the proctored process. We actually got these from our local library, so we thought we were just getting the regular over-the-counter do-it-yourself test, and they are do-it-yourself, but they're actually the proctored tests, so we're skipping that step. If you're looking for the proctored experience, this is not it. We are just checking things out for ourselves.
So we open it up. We have the applicator, the
nasal swab.
I'm gonna let her.
He's
give the
reading
technical
it,
terms.
which is fine. I'm
COVID-19
confirming.
ag card extraction reagent, and more important, the dropper. So I'm gonna let her be the official give
swab,
it
dropper,
and all the test
card.
So we're gonna put this box aside.
I can't get my dropper up.
Talent. She's gonna make fun of me because I can't pronounce it. I at least can open the box. Okay, I just want to point that out.
I can't. Okay, I got it.
So
all right.
We'll put those aside.
So we did watch a video of how to do this before we're doing it. We might fumble through it a little bit. This is the first time we've done an at-home test, but
so apologize in advance for the jump cuts.
yeah. So first, wash your hands. That's the first step. If you want to use gloves, whatever, but we're in our own home and it's our own noses, so I don't really feel the need. Open your test card. Remove your test card.
Silica gel. Do not eat.
Do not ingest the silica gel. The instructions say, so you can see this is what the test looks like, and there's a blue line for the control. So that's what you should be seeing when you open up your test card. And then you are supposed to open it. Don't touch the test strip. Get your fingers far away from the test strip. I'm not touching the test strip. And put it down on the table. Like so.
Actually, it's supposed to be away in it because it's...
No, my love. There you go. Next, take your little dropper. Open your dropper. You'll see, all right, now I'm going to pick it up and show it to you again so that you can see there are 2 holes there, okay? You are putting 6 drops in that top hole with your card flat on the table.
And make it pretty idiot-proof until you build a better idiot. So hopefully I'll be able to do this.
So, 6 drops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Cap that back on.
Even though just like that, because I'm not touching it.
Okay, you ready?
Because I'm keeping it flat.
Just
my-
leave it there.
I'm worried it's gonna like go sideways or something.
Okay.
Balance.
Next, your nasal swab. Okay. It's just a peel apart like a Band-Aid. We just...
Make sure you open the side that is the stick part, not the swab part.
Correct. Pull your swab out.
See, I do actually pay attention to these. I just want to point that out.
Okay. And then it goes in each nostril and you circle inside the nostril 5 times. And you only have to put it in as much as like the swab tip.
Yep.
You don't have to go deeper than that. This isn't like the in the ER, you know,
Not the brain scratcher.
PCR, like it's just an antigen test. So, okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Double, double, toil and trouble. Cauldron burn and fire bubble.
Both sides.
Wait, no, that's wrong.
And I
It's
Oh, I guess
fire
okay.
burn and cauldron bubble, not cauldron burn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Got it. Now, very carefully, so I'm going to hold the edge of my card. You take your swab, you put it inside the lower hole,
You put it all the way in the hole?
put it so you're like pushing it up towards the first one.
So they go underneath. How far do you push it in? All the way up to the
All the
thing?
way up.
Okay, like
Yep.
that.
And then you twist it clockwise 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then there's a little adhesive strip here that you pull off. Okay. And then you close your card. Just like that.
Seal it nice and tight.
Yep.
And we
Okay. And
Don't
now
touch.
we set a timer for 15 minutes.
don't touch a thing.
Don't touch a thing.
This is going to be a ridiculously long 15 minutes. I'm just telling you right now. Thankfully, you're not going to
Timer.
wait this whole time.
15 minutes.
We're going to end. Oh my gosh.
Is somebody nervous?
I really, really, really want to go to Disney. So, yes.
See, he's worried about this. He's worried about this test. I'm worried about the test at the port.
Here's why. The test here will, like this, because if this shows up positive, okay, we call it. I probably will cry on camera and we will be good. Like, we will move on. Like, we will reschedule, stuff like that. I feel that if this one if this one shows positive, okay, we do what we need to do. If this one comes negative, I feel more confident that the other ones will, because the lack of future, the chances of getting, popping hot, well, possible. I know it is a snapshot in time, but
It just gives you another data point. I feel better
yes.
about it.
So
Yes, I get that.
that is where I'm
get
at.
that.
Versus,
Let's see, here's optimist, pessimist. He's like, I feel more confident,
I will feel
going
more
down
confident.
there.
Right at
Like,
this
I'll
moment,
feel
I'm-
better. Me, I'm like, things could still go wrong. That's
And they
the
could.
difference
And
between
they could.
you and me.
I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, though, I'm looking at it from optimist but realist, in the sense that the likelihood of, if say we did get exposed in the next whatever time before our trip, likelihood of making it and having a heavy enough viral load beforehand is low. And
Carrie is crashing the...
literally,
Oh, right at the alarm.
okay, carry it
Okay.
down.
Okay. So we waited our 15 minutes. We're looking. It's negative.
I'm not even lying. How relieved I am at this moment, even
I
though
don't know if it'll leak out the contents if I hold it up.
So that's what it's going to
So-
show, by the way. You got your control
There's a little
line.
bit of glare, but it's basically, for all you ladies out there that have taken a pregnancy test before, it works like that. So 1 line is negative, 2 lines is positive. So see, 1 line.
I got one too.
Ta-da!
I mean, but one, not two, one.
Not 2 lines.
No, just one.
1 line. 1 test for you, 1 test for me. We are negative. which means
You're going to Disney.
we're going to Disney
On a,
World.
and a cruise. And a cruise.
We're going to Disney World for like 24 hours. And then
It does not matter.
we're going on a cruise. So, okay. That's the testing process if you're doing an at-home test. If you do a proctored one, like where you need the result, then, you would have to
Judge,
log in on the
adjudicate.
computer and talk to a person, and they would walk you through the steps. But this is what a quick over-the-counter at-home test
Yep.
looks like. And
And
now we
Yep.
pack.
And
Now we pack.
wait, what do you mean it's really happening? Ah.
It's really happening.
So, okay. So that was a quick, as I keep shaking the table, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you should take your elbows off the table because that's why you keep shaking it.
Otherwise, I sit up and I cut my head out of the camera.
Slouch.
That doesn't happen. Anyway,
You can do it.
you can do anything you set
That's
your
it.
mind to it.
Testing.
Just believe.
The end.
So there we go. That's that. If you have any questions or if you have wonderful stories about home testing or horror stories,
Wonderful stories. Who has wonderful stories about home testing?
I'm sorry. This was a wonderful story because it was a success story. Thank you very much.
We're negative.
But if you have any
Yay.
questions or if you, your own experiences, please share. We love to hear about it, and really, we're just here to help and have a good time doing it. So,
Yep. Okay. See you later.
take care.
Thanks for hanging not in the treehouse.
Adjacent to the treehouse.
Treehouse adjacent. Bye.
Bye.